Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Elohim Milano Kiran. My ID is TFR10110600053. I'm from Information System Class B. Because my ID is left with 1 if mod 4. So I will explain permutations. Before that, a permutation is a mathematical calculation that describes the number of ways a set of objects can be arranged in a specific order. The order of the objects matters. Let we see this. Permutation. Definition of permutation. Basically, permutation is an arrangement of objects in a particular way or order. While dealing with permutation, one should concern about the selection as well as arrangement. In short, ordering is very much essential in permutations. In other words, the permutation is considered as an ordered combination. We have the formula of permutation. The formula is an object for our selection of objects is given by the permutation of n elements taken r at a time is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. The permutation can be classified in 3 different categories. The first one is permutation of n different objects when repetition is not allowed. The second one is repetition, where repetition is allowed. And the last one is permutation when the objects are not distinct permutation of multi-sets. In this case, we gonna make the permutation with the first one, that permutation of n different objects when repetition is not allowed. With this formula, we will make an example question. The question is in a college organization. There are 6 candidates running for the positions of president and vice president. How many ways can the organization choose a president and a vice president? The things we must make first is we have to analyze the question. In this case, we have 6 candidates, and we just have to positions, president and vice president. And the question is how many ways can the organization choose a president and a vice president? Second, we have to insert the values we analyzed into the given permutation formula. In this case, we have n that equals to 6 and r that equals to 2. Anyway, we use this formula is because each candidate can only hold one position, and the order of selection is matters. In here we have 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial. The result is 6 factorials divided by 4 factorials. Let's see what 6 factorial consists of. 6 factorial consists of 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. But in this case, we only go up to times because we will cancel out for factorial. Since it has been cancelled out, we will only work with what remains, which is 6 times 5. And 6 times 5 is 30. So the possible way can organization choose a president and vice president is 30. And that's a wrap. Elohim Kiran signing off because in the equation of life, every problem has a solution. Stay sharp, keep calculating, and never stop solving.